Hey guys, in this video I have the MelodySusie Your Nail box. I really do hope there's some nail tips in here. I don't care what shape they are, I just hope there's some in here. This box is pretty big, so I think I'm gonna have to put the box on my lap and then just pull the stuff out one by one. So this is the inside of the box. I really do like the font of this, and then this is where the actual stuff is. I really like how they package this. The first thing are these clippers. I hate that there's a glare, but I like that these are black because I always seem to have some sort of random color, but I do like the black. I think I actually have one of theirs, but it's a white, I believe. So this is the one I have. What I like about these is that it has the little shield up here. Next are these lint-free wipes. You can never have too many of these. These are perfect. Whenever I have to do some sort of nail art heavy set, I go through these so much, so I'm happy to have these. I've never actually tried theirs before. They look like good quality. Next, there is this pack of 100 pieces of sanding bands, and it also includes the mandrel bit, which is pretty cool that they included it. And the grit of these are 180. I said I wanted some tips and I didn't care what shape they were, but in here were some square nail tips, and my favorite shape is square, so I'm quite happy that these are square. There's also a nail file on the inside. Here are some more nail files. This is the 100 and 180 grit, and there are 5 in the pack. I'm a fan of their nail files, so I'm always happy to have more. And the last thing in this box is a drill bit. This looks like a really good drill bit. That's one of the things that I like about these boxes, is that they'll put a really good drill bit in here. So this is their 5-in-1 cross-cut tungsten carbide drill bit. What sucks is my camera's not picking up the color, but the color of this is amazing. So I'm using my phone's flash to try and show you the color. It's like a pink and purple gradient. It's super cool. So for my nail set, I'm going to be doing a quick set. So for that reason, I won't be using the tips that came in the box. Instead, I'm going to be using MelodySusie's almond tips. I'm going to do like a quick pop-off set, something Valentine's-y, because I'm late to my Valentine's nails. I should have been doing them, but this is my first one. If you see random black spots on my hand or on my fingernails, it's because I was dyeing my hair black. Although I wore gloves, it was not enough. I still ended up getting it on my hands. I got it on my face. Oh gosh, it was a nightmare. I honestly don't know what was happening yesterday. I think a lot of it was because my power was out and I was dyeing hair pretty much in the dark. If you could have seen what I was doing yesterday, I had my MelodySusie gooseneck lamp as like my source of light. Oh gosh, it was a mess. Don't dye hair in the dark. Let me just quickly add that I was dyeing the hair when it was sunlight, but the sun set so fast, I ended up doing like the last quarter of the dyeing in the dark. Well, not completely in the dark. I did have my MelodySusie light. But just listening to myself, I'm just like, it sounds almost like I chose to like dye the hair in the dark. So I just wiped the nails with acetone and alcohol. I did use that lint-free wipe that came in the box and I love them. There is not a piece of lint on this nail, so those are going to be my go-to. I do like the ones from Nail Couture. However, I think I like these MelodySusie ones a little bit more. Next, I'm going to file around this cuticle area using this drill bit. The design that I'm going for is just something red, something Valentine's-y. I'm gonna try something that I seen on TikTok. The video I seen, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to find it, but I'm gonna look for it. Next, I'm going to prepare the nails for the chrome. I've seen where people just apply the gel, then they put the chrome over, but that doesn't work for me for some reason, so I'm going to do it this way. So I cured this for about 30 seconds. Now I'm going to wipe the top with alcohol. This is usually the way I can get chrome to work. The chrome that I'm using, I actually got it from a Born Pretty kit. It was their nail tips and glue kit, but it's just a basic red chrome, nothing special. So this is how it's looking. I'm tempted to just leave it like this. I love a good chrome set, but I do want to try out what I had seen. So the red jelly I'm going to be using is from V Beauty Pure, and it's the color 123. This is how it looks with one coat of the jelly. I think it looks super cool. There is that dimension, and it makes that chrome even nicer. I'm gonna top coat these and get it ready for some charms. I messed up on this one. I didn't cure it as long, and I have wrinkling. I might honestly pop this off and redo it. I'm gonna see if maybe the top coat saves it. I mean, honestly, I don't think it will. I think I might have to redo it. So I top coated it, and you can't actually see the wrinkling, thank God, because I really didn't want to have to do that over again. But the next and final part of the nails is adding the charms. The charms I'm going to be using are from Shein. I have a Shein haul coming up, and I'll include these, but all the charms I'll be using today come from these 3 packs. I'm going to be using rhinestone glue to adhere the charms. So I applied some cuticle oil, and this is the finished result. I love these. I love how the chrome and the jelly create such a nice effect. And the red and the gold, I think they just go so well together. And this is what I did for the thumb. But let me know what you guys think of this nail set. Thank you to MelodySusie for sending me out this box. If you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.